So today was a big day in the Parliament. It's a major breakthrough, a discussion finally taking place in the lower house of the Parliament, the Lok Sabha. Apart from the Pegasus debate demand, apart from the farm laws controversy, this time the OBC bill, which is also formally called the Constitution 127th Amendment Bill 2021, is currently on discussion. And while we await further updates on that, remember, this is the opposition coming together, even cooperating with the government, and there's a discussion taking place in the Parliament today. Take a look at this special story.
Parliament is working after a long period of protests. In a major breakthrough, the opposition agreed to cooperate with the government on the 127th Constitutional Amendment Bill.
But as per the report published,
the bill seeks to restore the state's power to list and notify backward classes, which can be distinct from the central list. Chaotic scenes were witnessed in the Lok Sabha during the debate on the bill as the opposition stormed the well of Lok Sabha. The amendment bill was needed as the Supreme Court in its order scrapped Maratha quota, saying states can't list their own OBC quota. But the bill does not address states' demand to cross the 50% quota ceiling set by the Supreme Court.
जो सेंसस 2011 में हुआ था, वो हमारी सरकार, जब यूपीए की सरकार थी, तो वो डेटा दिया नहीं, लेकिन अब वो डेटा देंगे, वो एम्पेरिकल डेटा, ऐसे बीजेपी के लीड स्पीकर ने कहा. So I thank the Honorable Minister and the BJP for sharing this data, which is very, very critical for us. So I would like you to reconfirm it because आपके खिलाफ हमारी राज्य का एक बड़ा केस चल रहा है, तो आपके भी पैसे बचेंगे, मेरे सरकार के भी बचेंगे.
हम समर्थन करते हैं. सिर्फ समर्थन ही नहीं, ये समर्थन के साथ साथ कुछ मांग भी है हमारा. ये मांग ये है कि इंदिरा साहनी केस के उपरांत सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने जो 50% सीलिंग रख दिया है, ये 50% सीलिंग को हटाकर प्रदेशों की बात सुनकर कुछ किया जाए. यह संशोधन ओबीसी की अपनी.
Many members pitched for a caste to ensure true social justice.
इस सरकार की ये प्रतिबद्धता थी कि ओबीसी के प्रति हमको न्याय करना है, इसलिए नेशनल बैकवर्ड क्लास कमीशन को संविधान के 102वें संशोधन से उन्होंने संवैधानिक दर्जा देने का काम किया.
मैं सबसे पहले हमारे देश के प्रधानमंत्री.
The centre on its part accused Congress of appeasing minorities while identifying backward classes.
और बैकवर्ड क्लास एक कास्ट नहीं है, बैकवर्ड क्लास एक क्लास है. इस क्लास में भाईचारे को खराब मत करो. लेकिन कांग्रेस ने डाइसेंट नोट दिया कि नहीं, आप बैकवर्ड क्लास में जो पद बनेंगे उसमें पहले माइनॉरिटी को रिजर्वेशन दो. ये कह करके आपने विरोध किया. आपने लोगों के विकास को धर्म के आधार पर बांटने की बात करी. हम किसी को बांटने का काम नहीं करते.
The debate on the OBC bill saw rare unity with both treasury benches and opposition coming together. Once passed by the Lok Sabha, the bill goes to the Rajya Sabha. The upper house is expected to clear the law before the session ends. Bureau Report, India Today.
Let's go directly on the ground because my colleague Anand Patel is tracking all the latest, and we here in the newsroom are awaiting an update on what happens next there in the Parliament. Anand, two quick questions. One, what is the current status of the discussion in the Parliament in Lok Sabha? And second, importantly, how is it possible and why do you think that the opposition has come on board with the government to not only discuss but even support the passage of the OBC bill? Over to you, Anand.
Well, Pooja, the situation right now is that 6 hours were allocated for the discussion over the 127th Constitution Amendment Bill in Lok Sabha, and the discussion is on. So very soon the minister will reply, and then voting will take place on various amendments which the opposition MPs have put in. That said and done, yesterday the opposition parties unanimously decided in a meeting that they will end the logjam, the 3-week logjam in the monsoon session, and cooperate with the government over the Constitutional Amendment Bill. which practically will give the power, restore the power of maintaining OBC list with the state government. Remember, in May earlier this year, the Supreme Court had taken away that right from the state governments and given to the president, who would have decided the state list in consultation with the National Commission for Backward Classes. That's one. Secondly, the opposition parties feel that this is a big opportunity to show them that they are with the OBC community, particularly the Marathas in Maharashtra, the Patidars in Gujarat, the Jats in Haryana. So all these communities have been fighting for OBC status, and the opposition does not want to be seen as a stumbling block in the way of the bill which would restore the power to the state. So clearly what we are seeing playing out in the Lok Sabha is because of the decision which was taken by the opposition parties to cooperate with the government as far as passage of the OBC bill is concerned.
Very interesting there,
So that has
Anand.
ended the lockdown.
It's a major
Tomorrow again,
breakthrough in the parliament, and how. And clearly, of course, the opposition party is well aware of the repercussions, the consequences of what this bill can bring to the table, respectively, for the states as well. Thank you so much, Anand Patel, with all the latest from the parliament.